If you have a tankless water heater, then it needs periodic maintenance. The rule of thumb is having a maintenance at least once in a year. Why maintenance is necessary? Tap water is contaminated with different kinds of mineral. Mineral sediments can be a reason for malfunctioning of your water heater. For this reason, periodic maintenance and purging is very important for a tankless water heater to remove these sediments. Maintenance frequency. You should keep your machine under regular preventive maintenance. Go for maintenance before it stops working. To find out the correct maintenance frequency, you can check the instruction manual. You might need additional purging, if 1. The mineral content of your input water is high, then you must need flushing more frequently. 2. If you operate your heater in high temperature, you might know that higher temperature eases the sedimentation process, thus, you need more frequent maintenance. Procedure. To ensure your safety, turn off all the utility lines, such as electricity and gas line. Do not forget to flip the circuit breaker before you start working. Turn off all the valves attached to inlet and outlet water. Remove the purging valve. This is a T-shaped valve which controls the pressure of the tank. Attach hose pipe with the inlet and outlet water line. Water from hosing line will flush the tank and remove the sediments. Use light chemicals if necessary. You can use white vinegar. Do not use concentrated chemicals. This is not good for your machine. After you have removed the sediments, remove the hosing line and put all the valves as previous. Finally, you should restart the heater as per instruction booklet. Take care of your water heater if you want longevity. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.